Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in my last update of a Tesla's stock chart, I have said that the stock must sustain above $900 for any uptrend or resumption of the uptrend going forward. Now, if I may zoom this chart, you can see this is the weekly chart what we have in front of us. The stock is trading above $900, right? The stock is trading above $900. So what does it means? What is the trend that we are looking at and how this is going to play out, that we are going to see in this particular trend? And more specifically, I'll tell you how big the target probably is for Tesla stock, and you may find out very interesting, but this time I want to be the first one to talk about the big targets of Tesla, which is yet to be seen. This is not yet confirmed by the charts as of now, but once it's done, you will definitely see where it is heading. So let's start this video. And if you are looking at this particular stock chart of Tesla, you will see very interesting move. But if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification as a general one. So this was your range, right? This was your previous range. So you have $545 on the downside, and what do we have here? $889, and you have $910 on the upside. So these are the major levels that you are going to look at if you are analyzing the chart for the last 1.5 years. Now, right now, whatever we have here till $1,200 was just an extension, or you can see that this is because of market exuberance, and then we have seen a correction in the stock. The stock went down to $700, and then again we have seen a sharp spike. Now what do we have here right now? See, the confirmation is not yet visible that the stock is going to sustain above $900. Okay, the stock is still volatile, and if it indeed makes its next move on the downside, then it is a very good possibility over here. So we need to make sure that the stock is sustaining above $900, and for that we need to wait for the stock to see how it's moving in the upcoming sessions. So this is what we must do right now. Right now, why I am doing this video then? Because technically the stock is trading above $910, and currently the close is $921. So it is a breakout. That's why we are analyzing this stock. Now, if in case the condition is, let me tell you again that there is a possibility of 545, which is still very much open if the stock does not sustain and makes a volatile move on the downside, right below $900. So consider $900 as a stop loss for the short term. For the long term, I'll explain you what the chart looks like. So what do we have here? If the stock sustains above $910 going forward, we will obviously have our next target, which is the recent high, and it is in between $1,200 and $1,253 on the upside. So this is how the range looks like right now. So this is a very big swing, I would say, from the lower end to the higher end of the range. It is like 700 points, or from the downside to upside, it is 129% worth of move. So this is a big one, right? Now the question is, what lies beyond 1253, or what lies beyond 1254, and what's the big target? So there are two conditions. Right now we are in a short-term consolidation or correction mode, and only if the stock moves beyond, uh, for first, if it sustains above 909, 910, and then second, if it moves beyond $1,252, then only we will go for the big range, which I'm going to talk about right now. So let me show it to you how and what the big trend or the range looks like. And please do not get overexcited, because the targets are going to be humongous, right? So, and I'm just connecting the dot, nothing else. Time will tell you, because people will ask me, I know people will ask me that how come without any fundamentals you are giving such big targets. So the better answer is to wait and watch whether it is happening or not. You can wait if you have already invested. If you can also wait if you haven't yet invested. Okay, you can wait and watch. So this is what we are going to look at as far as the big range or the target is concerned. So what do we have here as a big target in the upcoming years is in between 5,800 and $14,000. I'm not mincing up my words. Okay, this is very serious, and if the stock chart is saying something big, you need to believe on it. So I have talked about the current scenario, and I'm also saying the big levels, and this is probably a 5-digit stock, and you will definitely see what is going to happen in the upcoming futures or in the upcoming years. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for